How to edit or delete a saved address on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart, log into your account, and click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, scroll down and click on your account settings. Here, on the left side, click on Addresses. You'll find all the saved addresses. Now, you can click on Edit on the right side to edit the address. You can click on Edit and choose a new address as well, or change your apartment option or your business option, and then press on Save Address. After you do this, your address will be edited. Now, to delete a saved address, you can click on Edit again. After you click on Edit, you'll find Delete Address option at the bottom. Click on Delete Address. Then click on Delete Address again, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to edit or delete a saved address on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.